Have you ever gotten to the doctor's office and realized you forgot that one vital symptom you wanted to talk about? Or perhaps you felt a loss at words when trying to describe your symptoms. Now, more than ever, we are expected to manage our health outside of the clinic, remembering symptoms and logging how we feel. Tracking medications, preparing for follow-ups, and managing appointments can feel a lot like juggling. But here's the problem. Most tools we have, they're clunky, overly clinical, or built for insurance companies, not for the people actually living with the symptoms. That's why I created Prepared Wellness Plus, a personal health app designed with real people in mind. One of its most powerful features is the 3D symptom tracker. Instead of struggling to describe where your pain is, just tap on the spot on our interactive body model to log exactly what you're feeling. The data is then time-stamped and visualized on a heat map. This makes your tracking more accurate and gives your doctor a crystal clear picture of what's going on. But that's just the beginning. Prepared Wellness Plus helps you track medications, store health documents securely, monitor mood and energy patterns, and create summaries that make doctor visits faster and more productive. So why does this matter to us? Simply put, it's because you deserve to feel empowered in your own healthcare. You deserve peace of mind. You deserve control, especially when life feels overwhelming. Start your journey today. Take back your bodily autonomy and manage your personal health records. Prepared Wellness Plus isn't just any application. It's your personal health toolkit. Because managing your health shouldn't require a medical degree. Prepared Wellness Plus, your personal health companion.
Hello, my name is Michael Spetter, and today we're talking about my student innovation project, Prepared Wellness Plus, your personal health companion. This is an interactable link from Figma. This is the app that I created for the student innovation project, and we're going to walk through the demo of how it operates. So first, we're going to run through the playthrough as if a user is going to sign up for the first time. Here, this is where users will be able to sign up and input their information. For the purpose of this, I'll just put in my info. I'll put in my student email address as a placeholder here, and I'll put in a random date of birth. Users will then be able to read the terms and conditions and read through it as they accept it. Automatically accepting our checkbox here. We're going to head and complete the sign up here. Now, we're going to go ahead and assign symptoms. And I'm going to say, for the purpose of this demo, that we're having some upper abdominal pain. This is the field where users can put in the symptoms and pain that they are feeling. So for the purpose of this, I'm going to say that we are having some swelling pain. We have a pain level severity slider. The heat map will be color-coded based on what scale the user sets this at. So for the purpose of this, I'm going to say that it's a 7, and I'm going to say that it's a burning pain. Let's just say that it happened today at around 5:40 p.m. Additional details. This will be where users can put any additional information that may be helpful or maybe what started the symptoms. Continuing the assessment. This will ask you if this is a recurring symptom. I'm going to say yes. This will also ask, does activity cause this symptom? I'm just going to say that this happens when I'm at rest. I ask you for how long? About 30 minutes. Then I'm going to ask, what have you done to treat said symptoms? Healthcare providers want to know any medication that you might have taken prior to treating you. For this, I'm going to say that I took nothing. I'm going to complete the assessment for now. Assessment complete. It's going to generate a little heat map here. And you'll see here in this area, showing a legend that our pain level is at a 7, upper abdominal with some swelling. It's going to be date and time stamped, also with the sensation that I was feeling. I'm going to go ahead and put another one here, and we can already look at the back. And let's go ahead and just apply to the back here. I'll do middle back, and let's just do some back pain here. But this is not going to be as severe. I want to showcase how the different pain levels will show in legend here. I'm going to say that we have some burning pain, that I felt it today. It's a reoccurring pain. I'll be lifting and working out when this happens. Assessment's complete. And then here you'll see that we have our first symptom from the earlier prompt, and then the green from the back prompt. And you'll see down here in the legend the different pain levels and severity here. Now, over time, as users record different symptoms, this will evolve. And the great thing about this is you can actually export this data that you have saved. If you go over here to the profile page, you'll see all the information that the user puts in when they initially set up. And as well, it'll actually let you know how many recorded symptoms you've had and affected areas. Down here, you'll be able to export your data. You can export it in a CSV format or a PDF. This is really helpful, especially for a healthcare provider who wants to see any long-standing symptoms that you might have had, or maybe any one-offs that you've had in the past. And this may be helpful and crucial to understanding, diagnosing what kind of symptoms and illnesses that you have. But for now, this is all that I have for the Prepared Wellness Plus walkthrough. Thank you for watching.